Shopify POS. Shopify POS is a store owner's dream come true. Now, why is that? If you own a store, then you know how important it is to have a good point of sale system for yourself. Okay, a POS or a point of sale system lets you track inventory, process payments, and manage a whole lot of customers. Okay, it's an essential tool for any business, and now there's a POS system that's specifically designed for stores that use Shopify. Okay, it's called Shopify POS, and it is an absolute game changer. And here's everything that you need to know about Shopify POS and why it's the best POS, okay? So even if you come on Google and you straight up write POS, here you can see it gives you a POS or point of sale system or business for Shopify. Now the thing is, to get access for this, you are going to want to make sure to talk to sales about it, okay? And you can actually log in to set up Shopify POS pretty easily. Now, if you already have a Shopify store, you can set up POS really simply, okay? You're going to go ahead and make sure to log in with your store. Now, once you do that, it takes you to your point of sale. And basically, let me talk to you. What is Shopify POS? So it's a point of sale system that integrates with your Shopify store. That means if you're already using Shopify to power your online store, then you can use the same platform to run your brick and mortar store. With Shopify POS, you get all of the features that you love about Shopify, like the ease of use and fast loading times. So let's say from these, I'm going to go with add pop-ups, okay? And I'm going to click on next, and it keeps loading you into other sections, so you get free trials. And yeah, that basically runs POS up. So now you can add products in your POS, get the point of sale app, other hardware accessories, set up payment providers, and a whole lot more. So that's your Shopify POS. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.